Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it is Sunday and today we just have a bring on with us to make gonna see what we do on a Sunday basically. We take up gardening, yes, plant flowers and them thing then. So we're gonna go look and get some more potting pots because some of the plant them we have already, they might grow so fast, so we have to go like repot them and like separate them and everything because them very small. So I'm interested to see that. Just keep on watching. Come out of everywhere. Oh, nice. Alright, so we gotta look for the big one, guys, but never find it. So we just walk around and now we see the bigger potting soil. That makes sense. Wow. Well, at least one did I show what it's gonna look like. I didn't know one is not that. Yeah. So they start dragging the bees then. No. Yeah? Me think it did fake, you know, because it looked like it grew so perfect.
This one's really nice.
Yeah. It grew so perfect.
They've grown it.
Oh, I like
That
it.
one's 14. This not no one.
Yeah.
Corners. Like two in the corner, two in the corner like that.
Yeah.
But I'm not, you gotta prune them because they get tall.
Oh, this is it? Oh, wow. Pretty nice to shape though. Like I can carve them in a whatever design or animal or anything I want. Hope you enjoy the vlog so far, guys. You know it's Sunday and I just like to share what our Sunday is like with you. Maybe take up a new hobby, gardening. So yeah, it's an exciting journey. No, so they might plant it at Jamaica. No, watch ya. Let's see how much them worth over here. So guys, check out back the neighborhood. I know last time when I see it, a big empty lots. Now look here. And these are like, how much months now, baby?
For moving?
Yeah.
About 8 months since we
Oh,
moved
yeah.
in, but these pull up fast.
That means them just
5,
bring
6
them up.
months to build a house. So yeah.
5, 6 months. That's gonna build up. Well developed. Look here. Alright guys, so this calla lily has been growing like crazy. I'm gonna try insert a pic of, well, not the first time because we never did document the first time we actually bought this, but it was about a few weeks ago. I'm gonna show you the before and after pic compared to how far it grew now. So this is one of the main one where we have to go repot because it grow out of control and the roots them right now, once you pull it up you can't even see no dirt. I be a root, it come like a root, I hit the dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna follow the journey as is and keep on up to date on it. So first things first, get this potting mix in the pots. It's a pro, baby. A long time I do this. Yeah. Mm-mm.
And I know who you're attached with.
Wow.
Alright. Money, can I get one of the pots?
Which one? One more dirt? You look good, baby. What make you say you never better separate it again?
It has a big bulb on the bottom. Bulb you would think it would be the flower itself, but it's like, looks like a turnip at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So, that is all one thing. I thought I could separate it, but unfortunately, it's all connected to.
The one thing. I guess what I should do is just get a bigger pot instead and just put it in it. So now we have all of these extra pots. I guess we can fill them up with more lilies.
Well, yes. I'm ready for the focus.
Wow. Alright guys, you can just go and follow the journey. And we gotta see how far this other one can grow because it come out very strong. If you have any gardening tips or any other ideas, feel free to drop those comments below. Meet the pineapples, so my neighbor give me the one here. And then we get it, nothing in a growth nor nothing. So one morning I just want to look about start come home. I say yes, it's alive. You know you don't really make it alive. Yes, and this is sapphire showers. Big, big, big and pretty. It will grow much bigger than this and spread out. I'm excited to see it. We have orchids. It did bloom up and pretty and look better on this, but you know, after a while, flowers then drop off and it start over back. So, yeah. We did have another one, but the one here, I don't know something wrong with it. Something wrong with it, but we'll try with them still and see what go on. Roses. This is pretty, but in a very small pot. I transfer them now to this. You know, this apart and I look so wonderful, but to leave them still vibrant. A red rose, it's a red rose. I love red rose. So yeah, that's what's happening. It's a beautiful day, sun ripe. I'm like about 90 degrees, about 93. Yes guys, that is what is going on. This is how the Sunday look like. Okay, so we have Publix and pretty. Sun is red. Yes. Alright, we did see some other one here, but what then? Bang on. Guys, I also remember Mother's Day is coming up, so get those gifts from now. Tell them I loving your sassy man. Them have like cards to choose from your to the man. Actually, mighty God. No, not ready. Look good, baby. Alright, guys, you know, say me never know, say the bottom of this could have come off, like this part right here. Let's see. Here, yes, it can come all the way off, so the water can drain. I did not know that. Ready for the road. Alright guys, so this is it for this Sunday. We have come down to the end of flower planting. Yes. I don't know if you guys are into flowers or all gardening and all that stuff, but this is a new hobby from my baby. How's it going, babe?
It's doing good. It's a lot of work.
It's like everything else.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm happy you get a new hobby.
Yeah.
Lovely. And then doing really good. And I think the more you do it, the more you find out more work. You can just follow up with the plants at my Instagram at Tami Winkle. Yeah, we've been keeping up to date with them before we make an official YouTube video, so you can see the journey, which part they might come from, which part end they, and where they will be going. Yes. Alright, so that is it.
Bye, guys.
Bye.